Hello everyone and welcome. This time I'm going to show you how I made these lovely gift tags that are easy, quick and budget friendly. Let's get started. Carton packaging is often tossed away without a second thought, but I save almost all of it. From beauty products to chocolate boxes and more, each piece can become a wonderful material for crafting. I'm going to share something. There's one part of a carton packaging that is so often overlooked, but is actually an excellent scrap material. I'm talking about the flaps of a carton packaging. Most of the time, the flaps have lovely colors or patterns on both sides without any printed text at all. For the demo, I'm using this one, a carton packaging from a skincare product. It's sturdy, it has the perfect thickness and nice texture for a gift tag. An added bonus, it also has a lovely pink color on one side and beige on the other side, with a bit of decorative pattern. I cut this part out slightly larger than the size of the area, as I can tidy this up later. Here are some more of cutout flaps from different carton packaging. They are really lovely, and even if there are some printed text, I still could use a part to create a smaller size gift tag. I will show creating a tag from this one piece as well. Next, using a pencil and ruler, I mark straight lines for the tag's edges. This step helps to make sure the shape is rectangular, and it also helps tidy up any rough cuts. For the top part of the tag, I simply follow what's there. What's the existing shape of the carton? Here, as one line is already slightly angled, I simply mirror that and create a symmetrical top. I carefully cut along the pencil lines, start from one corner, and follow the line all the way to the next. I also round the corners of this piece. Adding rounded corners is a simple way to give a softer, more professional look. It's good to first sketch a curve at each corner of the rectangle with a pencil. However, here I round off each corner right away using scissors. Once I've cut out the rectangle, using an eraser, I gently rub away any visible pencil marks. Brush off any eraser debris, and there is the perfectly cut gift tag blank, neat and ready to use for the next step. Now I make the mark for the hole. I align it at the top center of the card, not too close and not too far from the edge. Just enough space depends on the size of each tag. What's important is that the tag would stay balanced when used. Now I punch a hole to create the space for the string. I use a smaller puncher because the tag size is more on the smaller side. Here is an extra example with a flap that has a bit print on the surface. The steps are the same. Basically, start by cutting the base into a rectangle, erase any pencil mark, and then punch a hole. You see how easy it is to create something nice out of some waste material. Here I have some blank tags using different materials. They look nice on both sides, so I can also choose which side to decorate. Now we are going to decorate these blank tags. To decorate, I use scrap papers from magazines' pages. For these gift tags, I choose some simple patterns or even a single color to create a clean and modern look that will fit for any occasions. Here I have a lovely dark blue wooden pattern which I think would go well with the beige color of the blank tag. I will create a circle shape with it, so first I measure the size of the circle using a circle template. Any circle shape household item such as a pen cap or an end of a thick pencil can work too. A circle with 17mm diameter seems to fit well here, so I will make an inner circle using a white permanent marker, slightly smaller, to be precise 15mm. Inside the circle, I can write some text or perhaps the recipient's name, a date, or a greeting. Now I can cut the circle out using scissors. Cutting a small circle shape from paper is easier than it seems. I can do the first part a bit roughly, simply to remove any extra paper, as this will make it easier to handle. Now I continue by carefully cutting a bit away along the white line, moving the scissors smoothly and turn the paper as I go to keep the curve nice and even. And there it is. It's ready to use for the next step, gluing the circle to the base. I apply a thin, even layer of glue to the back of the paper. Next, I pick the glued piece with tweezers and carefully position it over the spots on the carton base. The tweezers help keep my fingers away from the glue and allow for precise positioning. Once I'm happy with the placement, I lower the piece onto the carton and press it gently into place to ensure it adheres well. I use a piece of paper on top of the glued piece to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. Always double check the edges to make sure the piece is fully glued down. Let's add a finishing touch to the card by attaching a string loop. I use a piece of string from natural material. I fold the string in half, creating a loop at one end. Then I thread the folded end through the hole from the front of the card to the back. Pull just enough string through to leave a small loop on the front of the card. Now take the two loose ends of the string and pass them through the loop. Gently pull the ends to tighten, securing the string to the card. Finally, I tie the end of the strings and trim any excess strings for a clean look. And that's it! This gift tag is now ready to use. And there we have it, a lovely upcycled gift tag. The backside of each is also great for writing messages. These gift tags are perfect for any occasion. They're lovely, thoughtful, and completely one of a kind. They're also budget-friendly and help reduce waste, making them an eco-friendly choice that I can feel good about. If you enjoyed this project, please like and share this video, and I'd love to hear your comments below. Subscribe for more DIY fun with me, Astari Swatantri at SVVA Jewels. Thanks for crafting with me, and I'll see you next time.